Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of KP Astrology, a powerful system that offers profound insights into our lives. Whether you are curious about your career, relationships, or overall destiny, KP Astrology can provide valuable guidance. Let's start by understanding the key components of a KP Astrology chart. In KP Astrology, the chart is like a cosmic map, reflecting the positions of celestial bodies at the moment of your birth. This chart is divided into 12 houses, each representing different facets of your life, such as personality, wealth, relationships, and more. Unlike some other systems, KP Astrology uses the Placidus system for house division, which means the houses aren't always of equal size. This allows for a more nuanced interpretation, tailored to your unique life experiences. House and significations. Each of the 12 houses in KP Astrology has specific areas of life it governs. First house represents self, personality, health, and appearance. Second house governs wealth, speech, family, and values. Third house indicates siblings, communication, courage, and short journeys. Fourth house represents home, mother, comforts, and education. Fifth house governs creativity, children, romance, and intelligence. Sixth house indicates health, enemies, debts, and daily work. Seventh house represents marriage, partnerships, and public relations. Eighth house governs longevity, transformation, inheritance, and occult matters. Ninth house indicates religion, long journeys, higher education, and luck. 10th house represents career, profession, status, and public life. 11th house governs gains, aspirations, social networks, and elder siblings. 12th house indicates expenses, losses, isolation, and foreign travels. Cusps are the starting points of each house and are crucial in KP Astrology. The position of the planets ruling these cusps, along with their sublords, helps astrologers make precise predictions. This detailed analysis sets KP Astrology apart from other systems. The strength and placement of these rulers and sublords are analyzed to make accurate predictions. Step 1. Locate sublord and nakshatra lord in chart. Finding sublord of house or cusp from cusps table in KP Astrology. Check for the row of house you want to analyze. Check for the SB column. The cell where the cusp row and SB column meets is the sublord of that house. Finding or star lord of sublord in planets table. In our example, Moon is sublord. Locate the row of sublord and corresponding NL column. The cell where sublord row and NL column meets is or star lord of that sublord. Location of star lord in KP chart. In above example, sublord of second house, Moon, from cusp table, and this Moon star lord, Mars, from planets table, is in 8th house. Understanding the second and 8th houses. The second house in astrology primarily deals with wealth, speech, family values, and early education. It reflects our material resources, how we accumulate wealth, and how we express ourselves verbally. The second house also signifies the values and traditions we inherit from our family. The 8th house, often known as the house of transformation, deals with deeper aspects of life such as death, rebirth, inheritance, and shared resources. It governs secrets, the occult, and significant transformations. This house represents the profound changes that shape our lives, often through crisis or intense experiences. Understanding this placement can help individuals navigate life's ups and downs more effectively. For astrology enthusiasts and practitioners, recognizing these influences allows for more accurate readings and better guidance. Advising a client to embrace change and transformation based on this placement can lead to significant personal and spiritual growth. Example: encouraging someone with this placement to explore fields related to transformation, such as psychology or crisis management. Practical implications. Understanding this placement can help individuals harness their potential more effectively. For astrology enthusiasts and practitioners, recognizing these influences allows for more accurate readings and better guidance. Example: advising a client to pursue higher education or a career in academia based on this placement can lead to significant personal and financial fulfillment for them.